breaking stuff.
Okay.
No curse words.
So what we taking out? What we taking out today?
You see right here, we get the prime time Honda Foreman. Won't never break. Might cut off, but it won't ever break. Got a little pit or two. They might die, but hey, be all right.
We're gonna be taking out the old Honda and then also the Baja. First video with the pit bike. Are y'all excited about it? How y'all think it's gonna do?
I think it's gonna do all right. I think he might fall down a little bit, but I think it'll be all right.
All right, well, let's go ahead and hop on trails. Alex right here says she's got a hill climb I can try. So let's go ahead and hop over to the hill climb. And well, where's it at?
Quite a ways over.
All right, well, we're gonna be riding some trails to the hill climb, and I'm gonna switch over to the GoPro. And we're on the pit bike. Y'all ready? Switched over to the GoPro. This thing, for it to be like a little 50, this thing absolutely just straight gets it. God dang. Yesterday I had to, hush up. Yesterday I had the Can-Am right beside of it, and it was cruising. I was going solid 40 on this thing, and this thing tops out right at 40. Gets it. Where we headed? What? Where we headed?
That way. You can't get through the pond on that something.
Alright, I'm following you. Alright, let's see what it can do. That's third gear. There's fourth. I'm hammering her down. Bad thing about this thing, it ain't got no brakes, but it was hitting rev limiter right there. Hold on, my pig done messed up on me. Ah! Stop. So I bought this thing off Marketplace, and the people just didn't want to mess with it. So I got a hold to it, and I started tweaking with it, and I figured out it was a carburetor that was messing up. So I did my best. I tried cleaning out the carburetor and stuff, and then I just went ahead and I just went ahead and bought a brand new one, threw it on there, and I tuned it yesterday too. So it seems to be doing pretty good. I was messing with the idle, I was messing with the screw, how it rings rich and stuff. Alex is over here telling me to hit this hole right here. I need to come back on the Can-Am and hit that. That's not deep. I think I've hit it one time and it wasn't bad at all. But I definitely need to come back and make a video here on the Can-Am. I did about like 2 years ago, maybe a year ago, but it wasn't that good of a video. But now I got the 650 right now, so I'll come back and hit the hole for y'all guys. I always ride these trails, everything. I know where a bunch of mud holes are, and it'll be great content for y'all. This thing's an absolute ripper. I didn't get that on video, but I just blew my tire. Wow. I really just heard that thing go pop. Good day, dude. Oh. Dang, dude. I was straight getting it right through here. All of a sudden, pop! I didn't know what that happened. I thought it done backfired, but I don't even know how too much air even got into it. I literally measured it. And it even says 7 on the tire. I put 7 in it. Oh well. But it doesn't really matter. Tires were dry rotted anyway. Let's see if I can find like right here. This is already like that. And the front has like cracks too a little bit. But yeah. Let me go over here and find Alex and Austin real quick. Blown tire. I don't see an issue. You know why? Because I'm gonna still send it. Who needs a tire? Oh yeah. Now this is what you call some riding. I feel like Lightning McQueen right now when he was coming across the finish line, dude. Straight blown tire out here. Straight getting it. I see Austin and Alex up there. I honestly might just ride it like this today. I don't care. Let's see. Oh, I'm sliding like crazy. I might actually be able to ride it like this today. I mean, these new tires anyway. What's the worst that can happen? Mess up a rim? I'm sure it don't cost too much for this little thing. They're just still going. I'm literally trying to get to them. Like, slow down, come back. I'm too scared. I'm kind of scared to book it on this thing too. Just look at this thing. Good day, dude. I can't believe I really just blew a tire. I ain't never had that happen. I thought this little dirt bike thing was gonna be like a good thing for me, but the way it's looking, it ain't looking too good. There we go, we finally stopped. I blew the tire. What? I blew the tire.
Damn it, Harley.
I was coming up the hill and all I heard was pow. And I thought it like backfired or something. Whoa.
You just started.
I know. I mean, I think I can ride it like this.
Ride it well. You get better traction.
I'm kind of sliding all over the place. I told him, I said, I feel like Lightning McQueen coming to the finish line.
So no hump for you then?
Huh?
No hump for you?
Oh no, we gonna send it. I ain't letting a blown tire mess me up.
I want to see you hit these humps.
Okay. Alex wants to see me hit these jumps up here, and I ain't gonna fail him. There we go. I found one I think he's talking about. I know there's a good one like right down here. Oh. Oh, it's coming right up. Yes, sir. All on a blown tire. Yes, sir. This thing keeps on sliding now. It's kind of sketchy. But I kind of like it. I feel like I'm drifting everywhere. This thing is a straight trooper. Grizzly, a Polaris, and an enduro bike. This thing, I don't care. Forget that balloon tire. I'm not letting it ruin my day. Good day. You got me messed up if you think a balloon tire is ruining me. Another wheel ain't gonna cost too much anyways, even if it does. What the heck? We got a bunch of people out here today. It's a Kubota and it looks like a, maybe, huh? Alright, take a look. Okay. Look like I'm taking this right. Oh. Yeah, it looks like a Can-Am, maybe like an older one, and then a Kubota. But we're going to this hill climb up here that Alex is taking me to. Hold on, I'm actually just gonna let him go in front of me. Go ahead, show me the way. But I think me, Austin, and a bunch of other people, we're gonna be going down to Mud Bash. So if y'all see us down there, don't be afraid to come up to us, just say hey, something like that. We'll be down there, about Thursday. So they'll be on the 5th. No, not Thursday, on Friday. We'll be down there Friday on the 5th, and we'll be leaving Sunday on the 7th. So if y'all see us down there, don't be afraid to come up to us and just say hey. I honestly might bring this thing out here depending on if I can get a new tire and a tube. But if I can't, I'll still ride it like this. Oh well. I'm having fun. I still can't believe I blown it though. It's okay. Oh, I really want to do a couple mods to this thing as well. Some handlebar risers and I just grabbed a tree. A handlebar risers would be amazing. Lift up the suspension, that's for sure. Gosh, that'll help a lot. Maybe a little bit bigger of a tire. And I think that'll be it, honestly, that I want to do to it. Maybe a seat riser. Maybe, it just depends. I don't have a problem with this seat at all. We'll just have to see. I wonder where this hill is that he's talking about. Which way did he go? Oh, I see him. It's so hard seeing over this thing. Yesterday when we was testing out the speed on this thing, top speed, going from the Can-Am to this and then back from this to the Can-Am is just so weird to do. Because the Can-Am is just so huge compared to it, I'm not used to it. I tell you what, whoever put this tire on the bead did a darn good job. Or tube, I'm not too sure how dirt bike works. I'm new to this. So if I'm saying something that's wrong, don't judge me. Alex has got me going on some four-wheeler trails, dude. Good day. I definitely need to come back on the Audi. Definitely now, since I got a blown tire on the thing. But I will definitely be coming back soon and getting some content out for y'all guys, just plowing mud hole. my leg keeps on hitting trees and stuff. Gosh, I ain't got much sand in my eyes. Good day, dude. I don't care. I should have brought my pit vipers. Darn thing won't go on first. There we go. I'm just grabbing everything going down this eye level grass. Can't see nothing in front of me. I guess it's the hill climb. Walk it? Yeah. Alright, I'll park it up right here. Just plow into the tree first.
I mean, just see what you think.
Alright. Alex has brought us to the hill climb that he wants me to try.
You might die on it, but...
Well, with a blown tire too now, that don't help at all.
You just gotta hit the right spot and come up it.
I don't know. The camera really don't do justice for it. I'll hit it.
It gets steeper.
Austin, your thoughts?
I don't think you're making it.
Y'all think?
Nah.
Oh, I'll plow it.
About 7 times.
This rut right here?
No, where it hits that little hump kind of timing right there.
Alright. How far down even is it?
Oh, it's way down.
Pine needles catch up to you.
We won't even have a pit bike and it's gonna wipe out.
I know. I wiped out on the pit bike earlier off camera on the pine needles. That was earlier though, way before the video. We'll talk about that. Good day, dude. That's one heck of a hill climb. You know what, Alex? I don't even want to walk it no more. I just want to hit it.
We gotta come down it to hit it.
All right. You know, it would work better if I had brakes.
Yeah, probably. It's all feet.
Hey, Austin.
Yep.
What are you doing there?
It's getting an acorn in the exhaust.
So, I ended up finally getting the chain back on. And it's a pain, kinda. Still got the blown tire. Nothing new. I know, like we're gonna fix it.
Get Harley's phone.
Alright, but that'll be the next job on this thing, but it's still ripping. We're gonna continue today. I'm not gonna let it bother me one bit. The people that we saw earlier actually at the top of this hill. So I think we're gonna try to get out of here without the chain popping off again and without my tire coming completely off. Let's get out of here. Alex just left.
He just asked me if it was bad.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah, you didn't hear him?
Yeah. He done left you.
Yeah.
Man, I can't believe this thing did that to me.
Pop tire.
Yeah.
Mm.
I even checked the measurement on it too. Like, it had the right amount of pressure in it.
Look.
It says run 7 and I ran 7.
It has like creasing in it.
Oh yeah, I know. The other one had that too. It's because they're dry rotted.
It's probably why it pops so easy.
I got a bunch of stuff in my boots.
You out there talking to him.
We ain't got time for that. We gotta ride.
I think they're coming down here too.
Well, tell them come on. I hope they got some tools with them. I hope they got a tube and an extra tire. Tube, extra tire, and a couple tools, because look, the way I'm going, this ain't gonna be swamped. I mean, if I take it in that creek right there, oh, it'll probably crap its britches. Ewan's right there. He ain't even seen my wrath yet. Wait till it goes to Busco with us to Mud Bash. I'm gonna be ripping on the youth track. What's happening?
Dude with a dirt bike up there said he's gonna come up.
You're just making your own little trails, ain't you? All right, we got one of them coming down right now on the Grizzly. What's going on? I want to see this. I know it's not much for a four-wheeler. Hey, that little pit bike was actually honestly getting it before I started having to push it. When I got
this little bit right here.
Yeah, when I got in the rut is when it like
Yeah.
started messing up.
I actually managed to get on the right side of the rut to where I didn't hit it fly up like that. It scared the piss out of me every time I got on it.
All right, here he comes. That hill don't even look like much at all. The hill don't even look big at all on person. I mean, the hill don't even look big on camera. Yeah.
He didn't hit it fast enough.
They up there hollering.
Like that's a big ass achievement.
So Alex.
Oh shit.
Yeah, I told you we just need some tools. You know, that could have helped us with the chain. I mean, just having it in our hand would help it 10 times better.
Exactly.
Hey, we could sell that on Marketplace with some money. You better go get that. All right, let's get this.
It turns into pine needle.
Where?
Over here.
Good, I'm tired of these leads. Let's get a baby bike in neutral first. All right. There we go. All right, girl, don't pop your chain off again, please. Don't feel like messing with that. I gotta get out these leaves. That's what made me pop my chain off. All them leaves got built up. Man, we're going deep on baby bike.
Maybe you might want to see if the other dude wants to trade. Go see if he wants to trade.
It's that 650 boys baby bike, okay? I will put my autograph on it.
It's a sticker. Go grab him some stickers and a hoodie and see if he'll trade.
I ain't got stickers, but I got a hoodie.
Oh, you'll be alright.
I'd take them up on it. This thing is starting to have it a little bit. Oh well, it'll be alright. Let's get on with our day. If I put the peg down first. Huh? What'd you say?
Excuse me, mister. It's that 650 boy.
Oh yeah, that's me. We gotta go back up?
Yeah.
Alright. Let's see.
I'll go first, see what it feels like.
Alright. Darn thing won't shift. I hate pine needles. I wiped out earlier on these. Come on. Baby bike, don't fail me. Oh wait, hold on. Yeah, there we go. I won't even in first gear. Thing's trying to do a wheelie on me. There's a little wheelie. Uh-oh. What happened? Oh wait. It just went in neutral. The gears on this thing keeps on messing up. It's so hard to like find neutral. And when you do find neutral, it's just another gear. So I'm gonna have to go in and like figure out the gear on this thing. I think I'm gonna have to put some more fluid in it, some oil, lube it back up so it ain't so tough. Hey, it's a ratchet strap. Someone wants a strap up in here, dude. It's kind of rusted. I'll take that with me. Oh, look, hang it right there. Feel like a little ornament. Ain't no telling what you can find out in the woods. Tell you what, it's a good day to ride. It's really hot. And there's neutral again. Come on, baby. There we go. Oh, I got a cramp in my leg too. Gosh, I love this thing. Oh, a little crap, I can't think of drift action right there. Still getting to it. And oh, I almost cut off. We're good, we're good. Come on, baby bike. Need to get this tire fixed. Wait, hold on, wait a second. I done broke my kickstand. Darn. My kickstand's broke. What done happened? Alright. Balloon tire. Chain popped off, but that don't really count. But now we got a broke kickstand. You know, that's just lovely right there. You want to see that. Alright, I don't know how well this is going to work, but I feel like there was a reason I found this. And I'm going to put it to good use. Okay. How do I want to do this? Yeah, forget it. I'm just going to let it dangle. I don't care. Oh well. I'll figure it out. I'll rig it up with a zip tie or something. Let's just get on.
Took you so long?
Well, I found this ratchet strap and I was trying to rig it up. But I couldn't do it. But anyway.
Hey, you want to go to the field or you want to go back the other way?
It don't matter to me. I'm fine with either one.
We'll run up to the field and come back down.
Sounds good to me. Just watch this. I'm just gonna creep up on him. You better run, boy. Oh, I can't stop, no brakes. Sorry. Oh, I know where I am now. I know, he went off to the left, he kept straight.
I didn't think you were actually that close behind me.
These trails right here are so fun on the pit bike. This is I'll count this as my first actual ride on it, like on trails. I wanted to make a video yesterday, like a little hide and seek video, but I actually couldn't find my GoPro yesterday. So yeah, but I ended up finding it, it was in the truck. And so now I'm able to do this video for y'all. And I'm really glad I can because I'm really excited about this bike. I mean, I know a couple things happened to it. It kind of seems collapsed right now. But it is a good bike. It really is. And I'm really excited for this thing. Like, I know I keep on saying I like a lot, but I went from the, as y'all know, if y'all see my TikTok videos, I used to have a little Coleman mini bike. I ended up selling that thing because, oh my gosh, I collapsed that thing so badly. I didn't even want to work on it, like there was so much stuff wrong with it. So I ended up selling it. Then I found this for $145 on Marketplace. And all it needed was a new carburetor. And that is a deal right there. So I bought it, as you can see, and it does amazing. I'm in love with it. I got this thing going yesterday, slapped the carb on there, tuned it. Love it. These trails are actually perfect for it too. It'd be so cool to just be out here, like if all of us had a pit bike, like imagine like riding around playing tag or something like that on these. It'd be fun. Or just absolutely just ripping up and down these trails, just giving it all it's got. Darn, Alex and Austin done left me. I don't even know where they are. Oh, I see them. Pick up a pine cone. Just at him. I'm gonna throw this. He knows what's coming. I can't even. Dang, keeps on going in neutral. Hey, what's going on? Oh, there's a gate right there. Y'all about got me. I about ran it. I know, I didn't even see it. What's this?
Makes a funny sound
though. What's wrong with it? It won't stop. Hey Alex, can you throw my little decoration in the toolbox right there?
Yeah.
Let's start this thing up. I had it on gear. No, I kind of like being able to try to keep up with y'all. Yeah. What's going on with this thing? It's acting like...
Cut off.
What, that did? Yeah. Well, this thing don't even want to run. What's going on? Yeah. What's going on with you?
You got the choke on accidentally?
Hold on.
There's your choke.
going on with you, girl?
Just try it again and see what happens. That's all I'll tell you.
All right, let's see. We're good. I don't know. I reckon it. Yeah, I reckon it just didn't want to go. We're good now, though.
Hey, give me a minute.
Yeah, I was like, look what you done to me. You're tearing me up. It didn't want to go. Darn, I got both units messing up out here. Me and this peg are gonna tough it out here in a second. Just straight dragging the kickstand. They'd be alright. If I wipe out this time, at least I'll be on video. I really don't hope to. I really don't plan to, but you never know. Because these little pine needles are slick. Kid you not. This thing needs new tires anyway. I'm probably just gonna go with a little bit of a bigger tire on it. Tell you what, Alex and Austin is just straight booking it through these trails. They keep on leaving me behind like something happens to old baby bike right here. I'm like, I reckon I'm just gonna have to wait. I mean, they've been waiting up for me, but I don't know about them. Knowing him, if mama calls him home for dinner, I'll get left out here. I reckon it's this way. Oh, Alex, where are you? I feel like I'm coming up on them. I have a feeling. Oh, that wasn't good for the wheel. I hope I really don't have to replace the wheel on this. Oh, there they are. I really hope I don't have to replace the wheel on this thing. I don't feel like spending that extra money. But if I have to, I have to.
Hey, I had a tree.
Oh, I see that. What happened?
I came up and I was like, I'm gonna wait on Harley. And I was like, I know where to stop. Stop right here.
Well, you got 2 bars, so I don't think it.
That's why I'm not worried about it.
Yeah, I don't think it hurt much.
Just stop.
It'll be real nice if like I got an extra GoPro so I can have one for me and then like one for Austin, because 2 POVs I feel like would be like amazing. We can switch back and forth between what he's seeing and what I'm seeing, and what he's talking about, what I'm talking about. I'll probably have that in the near future. Gotta save up the money. Straight coasting down the hill, don't slide. Uh-oh. Baby bike is just, this thing's a trooper, I'm not gonna lie. It might be busted up a little bit right now, but it's straight getting it. Nothing stopping it. This thing is a tank. I want to get some stickers made for this thing. Ow, just clipped my toe on the ground. I want to get some stickers made for this thing that says baby bike and put like the TikTok and YouTube right here, like on the sides, right here in my butt, kinda. If I can stop. No, we ain't stopping. Well, it's all go. I can't stop. Let's get up this way. I don't want to ride that rut all the way down. Fix the GoPro. This thing keeps on messing up on my head. I would do a chest mount, but then I couldn't like to do the looking around thing. You just be facing one way. Who knows? I might get a helmet just for the POV better. Looks like somebody was right here earlier. Probably them people. Just scoot on over here out the way for Alex to come on through. Lead the way, tour guide. Man, I'm excited for my bash. It's gonna be amazing down there. This is actually my first time going to my bash. I've been to Fall Bash, but not my bash. This is gonna be the second event I've been to that Busko's put on. I feel like, I know there's gonna be a lot of people there. It's gonna be a lot, but that's what makes it real fun. A lot of people out there just riding four-wheelers, pit bikes, dirt bikes, a little bit of everything. Just absolutely sending stuff, having an amazing time. Got this little creek crossing. She's a little deep, ain't she? Good day, dude. Just send it. Yeah, we made it, but she cut off.
Looks like it. How far did you sink the bike?
It wouldn't surprise me. Hold on, I think it's having a dumb moment again. Let me turn it off. Turn it back on. Key. That thing got deep.
I wish I'd have got that on.
Oh, come on. I slipped off of it. There she is. There she is. It's a boat. Right, let's get this thing on up here. GoPro died. Gonna switch over to the phone now. Austin's cameraman, like always. Sorry, Austin. We actually got a hill climb up here that we're gonna hit too. I really thought I sunk the bike for a second. Alex, what was your thought?
Well, he hit the water and smoke started rolling out, and I was like, well, shit. And it comes up and it cuts off. Then he didn't want to cut back on.
I honestly thought it was gonna keep on running, but then it just shut off.
Died.
It's okay. Listen to her. She purrs like kitten.
She's got a little lag to it.
Oh, it's just a carburetor. But anyway, let's go ahead. Gosh, I'm straight tearing up that reel. I will. It's up fine.
I mean,
Let's go. Wait, what's that?
let's see. Let's run to the other creek, other part of the creek.
Other creek. All right. Let's head to the other creek.
Sounds like a two-stroke. Hit that rock. Don't come backwards.
Well, they didn't want to run right now. They didn't want to crank it all either. Every time I give it gas, it wants to fall down.
I think you got water in it somewhere. Somehow. I think somehow you got some water in it.
Yeah, I don't know how. I really don't know how water got in.
I don't see how. I mean, we've been riding trails all day long.
I know, like,
Makes no sense. He's got water on his front plastic.
I think, I'm just gonna say, I feel like when I went through that creek, I feel like that cold water might have splashed up onto the hot motor and it might have shocked it a little bit. And that's probably why it's not running right now. So I'm gonna give it a little bit, cool off a little bit, and just chill out. Ooh, that exhaust is hot. Fix the tube right here.
Did you figure that out on your own?
Yeah, I did. Trying to fix the tube right here.
He's over here whittling a stick.
Good day. I got a whole tree coming down on me.
There we go. She's stuck now.
Also, what you doing? Trying to make a fire?
Yeah.
We're gonna go kill something, ain't we?
Yeah.
So we stuck out here in the woods. We're surviving now.
Is that Drake? No. He runs so fast. Were you scared, Austin? Scared the thing's gonna hit me back in the face?
I don't watch out for 1 second and this happens. I think that's a tree.
You gotta hit everything in sight. Only your neck.
Well, got the pit bike back going. I think it was just hot. It definitely was. Just got too hot. Oh, you finally got it. Maybe. Oh, there it goes. I'm gonna get out these trails. I'm gonna get up here to the main road like we was, the little dirt trails. I'm gonna get up here. I'll pick y'all up.
Hey, big dude.
Well, I just wrecked you. I also didn't get on video.
It's in our memories now.
Yeah, precious memory stuff.
Yep.
Oh well. I mean, this pit bike's heavy. Let's get on home. This thing is overheating once again, so we're just gonna let it sit here. But Alex, I think he's gonna try to do a wheelie for us. Let's see what he got. You know,
That's pretty high.
you know, if you had Can-Am right there, it wouldn't be a problem.
I mean, if it's Can-Am, it'd be right up just like that.
Look at the tire. I've been riding around like this the whole time. Good day. You having fun?
Yeah. Supper's ready. We gotta go.
What'd I tell you? He's gonna leave me here on baby bike. I called it. You
I'll
gonna?
leave you. I'm just gonna rush you.
Well, I can't rush it going off. I need to put some seafoam in it too. I need to put some seafoam in it
It's gonna
too.
make it work.
Oh, I think it might. Let's go try to start it. Let's see what she does now. You was right. All right, y'all ready?
No. What a dumbass.
It's so hard to put on the gas cap. It's like they cross-threaded it. Gotta find like the right groove of it. It's still crooked. Hey, what are you doing back there?
Trying to start a fire, man.
Yeah, we about need one. Sun's going down.
Hey, supper's ready. We gotta go home.
Supper is ready. We need to go home. You need to go home. I ain't got supper at my house.
You wanna come be supper at my house?
I mean, if you're invited.
I feel like she'd be alright with it.
Can we play Hot Wheels?
Dude, I have Hot Wheels.
No. Can we play with Hot Wheels? So, we're gonna see the top speed of this thing. We're gonna drive side by side and he's gonna see. So,
Yeah.
tire too.
Top speed with
Top speed with a blown tire. Y'all ready for this? I don't think y'all ready. You ready?
I'm ready.
just finished off our ride. Let's see the damage report on this little Baja. So, where should I start? Okay, start.
Start with the tire.
So, tire. Yeah, pretty minty, right? Literally blown it at the beginning of the video.
First 5 minutes of the ride.
Yeah, first 5 minutes. And I sent it for y'all because I was trying to get, a video. Anyway, come over here. The back brake. She got bent up when I wrecked it earlier. I lost it. It started skating on me. What else is it? Chain popped off, but we got that back on. I think other than that,
You're a little.
no, it was already like that. But I think other than that, it's minty condition.
I really feel like that was. Oh, the kickstand.
Yeah, kickstand. Yeah, we lost that. It was just dangling the whole time, but it's alright. We don't need that.
I think that's what was throwing all the rocks at me.
Maybe probably so. Probably so.
That and
but-
the mix of the non-existent tire.
Yeah, that tire's something else. That's like a ghost tire right there right now.
I don't know how you should riding on it.
I don't know, but I'm just absolutely sending
It worked.
But
You
anyways,
got us through the day.
yeah, I did.
I'm pretty sure you got some water in the motor.
Yeah, I'm short of that too. I'm gonna put some seafoam in there, try to clear it up a little bit. It was running good on the way back to the house. I think the reason why I was cutting off so much is because Alex kept on getting in front of me and it kept on sucking up
I'm
some
just
dust.
too fast.
Yeah, he's too fast.
On my little Honda.
I'm bringing 650 back out here next time, so y'all better be posted for that video. But anything else y'all want to say?
Yeah. I had a good time, but supper's ready. So.
Yeah. So he's gonna go eat. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.